Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video for Unity, World Unity. The promo is going to be ending on the 5th, which is this Friday. So I wanted to just give you a comparison of what exactly is on the table as far as these promotional packages and what the plans are going to actually look like after the 5th. So you have an idea and then you can make a decision on whether you want to get in now, whether you want to get in later, et cetera, et cetera. So let's go ahead and dive into this quick update. Again, this platform is called World Unity. It's a brand new platform. Super excited about it. Team's been growing, and yeah, everything's been working smooth thus far. It certainly looks like it has the potential to be around for quite a bit. And again, you're getting an opportunity to get in super duper early with this platform. So real quick, guys, not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you are going to get into this platform, do your own research and due diligence and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Risk capital only. Also follow me on Telegram. I will leave a link for that down below. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So that being said, let's go through the PDF, not the whole thing. I'm just going to go to the actual plans. There's three plans. Now the plans that's covered in the PDF. These are the plans that are the promotional plans. Okay, these plans are effective as of right now, but only up till the 5th. Okay, only up till Friday. So by the time you watch this video, maybe you might have 24 hours, maybe 48 hours, 72 hours. Maybe if you're watching this video, it might be too late. I don't know. But this is what you have on the table up until Friday, okay, which is the 5th. Now, you can see here, there's three licenses you can choose from. There's the Start, there's the Premium, and there's the Professional, okay? Now, the Start, you can access it from $20 to $299. This one here, 0.5% to 1% a day, Monday through Friday, okay? It says here the monthly variable performance will be up to 20%. And again, after 30 days, you can retrieve your capital. You can withdraw your capital out of the platform penalty free. Now, just so you know, before 30 days, you can also withdraw your capital. You'll just get hit with a 15% penalty. So again, you can withdraw either before or after. It's just a matter of that 15% penalty, or if you don't want to pay that penalty after 30 days, there'll be zero penalty. Okay. The premium, you'll also have the opportunity to withdraw your capital. This one here, the monthly variable performance is up to 30%. Okay. And then to get into this one is 300 USDT all the way up to 999. And then the $1,000 and above, which is the professional license, this one is up to 40% per month. And of course, you have the opportunity to withdraw your capital out as well. But again, up to 40% a month with this one. And again, this is $1,000 and above for the professional license. Now, if you go to the back office, right, and you click on algorithmic trading licenses, these are what the licenses are going to look like. The non-promotional licenses. In other words, after the 5th, these are what the licenses are going to pay out. Okay. So you can see here the Start license. This one pays out 20 USDT up to 299. You can enjoy a monthly variable rate between 5 and 10%. Okay. So between 5 and 10%, again, you can withdraw your capital out 100%. In other words, there's no penalty after 30 days. Before 30 days, there's a 15% penalty. But again, the Start package monthly is anywhere from 5 to 10%. Now, here, it's up to 20%. Okay, that's 20 to 299. This one is 300 to 999. This one is up to 30%. The non-promotional premium plan is 10 to 15%. Okay. So again, this one is 10 to 15% a month. If you get it now, it's up to 30% a month, right? And then look, if you look at the professional, this one here is the variable. It says here you'll experience a monthly variable return between 15 and 20%. If you get it now, it's up to 40%. So again, after the promotion is done, it's 15 to 20%. Still, still lucrative, still very competitive with what we see out there in the space. Still very competitive. And again, this can be running for a long time. There's platforms out there that are doing, comparable numbers that are doing great, right? So anywhere from 15 to 20%. But if you get it now with this promotion because they're brand new, up to 40%. Okay, so you're leaving quite a bit on the table. Not trying to make you FOMO in, do whatever you want to do, totally up to you. But again, after the promotion is done, instead of 40% a month, it'll be 15 to 20%. Again, like I said, still good, still highly lucrative, still very competitive with what's out there in the space. Still going to be very good after that. Okay, I don't want you to think that I'm throwing shade at what it's going to be, because again, 15 to 20% per month, that's still awesome, right? With the ability to withdraw your capital, not too many platforms give you the ability to withdraw your capital. That's pretty good, okay? So again, this is a new platform. Not a whole lot of people talking about this yet. Not a whole lot of people in. So again, this one, if you like to get into platforms that are new, just taking off, not saying it's risk-free or anything like that. There's nothing out here that's risk-free. But if you like to get into things that are brand new with, to me, what looks like sustainable numbers, this might be something you might want to take a look at. This one does have a network marketing component to it. Just so you know, you can see here, it has a residual unilevel bonus, 5 levels. Right now, you have to unlock these levels, right? It says here, unlock all 5 levels with 5 direct sponsorships with any Maximus license. So again, you will unlock these 5 levels if you have 5 sponsorships, 5 direct sponsorships. But again, 20% on your first level, 15% on your second level, 10% on your third, 5% on your fourth, 2.5% on your fifth. This is, by the way, this is a match, right? A match that gets paid out Monday through Friday on whatever your team members are making. Let me repeat that, okay? This is not a one-time bonus on what they put in. This is a match every single day, Monday through Friday, as they earn on their package or license, as they're earning their passive income, you're earning a match, right? This can get quite lucrative if you understand how this thing works, okay? And if you're building a team, of course. Again, you don't have to build a team. You can just, if you want to just get a license plan, you can do that. But if you want to build a team, there's definitely a affiliate plan here that you can tap into. There's different rank bonuses here. Again, we'll talk about this more on, I'll do a compensation plan video, a deep dive into that. Don't want to really go into this now. I just wanted to let you know that there's only, a couple of hours left to get into the promotional package. But yeah, this one here, looks pretty good. And again, they do have a summit, a trip already scheduled for Colombia. This is May 24th, 25th, and 26th. So next month, right? How do you qualify for this? Of course, there's qualifications, but they're only taking 200 people, okay? You'll have your flight, 5-star hotel, all-inclusive, 4 days and 3 nights. It's going to be a yacht party, all-inclusive white dinner. You have to be a V2, of course. And then they also have already their first leadership retreat scheduled for November 2024. So they're thinking ahead, right? They're already, looking to book, their trips. Of course, this one here, not for everybody. It's going to be for 100 of their leaders, and you need to be a V5. So what's a V5? Again, we'll talk about that on another video, but just kind of giving you an idea of, these guys, what they're, looking to do. Anyway, if you want to get into these promotional packages, guys, you have until the 5th. That's what this video is about. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Just a quick update. I'll leave a link for this down below if you want to check it out. As always, do your own research and due diligence, and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Okay. All right, guys, don't forget to follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell icon. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.